Don't mind my hair. I know I need to do something with it, but this video is gonna drop before the video I was supposed to drop about my own car. But we're about to go to Kentucky right now to ride with my homie in his C6 Z06, and it's fast. So I'm gonna let him tell y'all everything that's done to it. I'm not gonna spoil it for y'all. So we're gonna head there right now and then get some footage of his car and hopefully get a ride of him. Before we cut to the car, I'm gonna let y'all know that I will explain everything that's been happening on my end to my car. I got a whole new car. It's getting rebuilt for the second time right now. It's my fault that it's getting rebuilt for the second time, but I'll explain all that probably at the end of this video or in the next video. Alright, so let's get to the car now. Alright, we're pulling up right now. Out of respect, I'm gonna blur his face out, and I'm not gonna show anywhere outside this house. We're only gonna be showing the car only. So next clip will be the car because it's the artist, so I just want right in. Tried to do a little baby pull and this shit happened. I warned him before we left.
Fucking belt tension
Barely any belt left. He barely got on the gas. This came off. I think he threw the rest of it away, which what came off earlier. He didn't even know it was ripped until I got here. What we think it is that pulley right there. It's broken. If we replace that, possibly on my rib belts. I don't know how well y'all can hear me, but this is what we think the culprit was. We got the new belt on now. Alright, I'm gonna let him talk about the car because I really don't know everything that's done to it, so I'm just gonna let him explain it. He's not gonna be in the camera, but you'll hear him.
Alright, so it's a head cam intake the motor's made by GPI, and the heads are by GPI. The intake's port match by GPI, and the tuner's by GPI. There's nitrous on it. It's not hooked up right now, and I can show you around where the nitrous is. So if you look back there.
There's the bottle back there. What's your wheel setup?
They're welds, 17 by 12 in the back and 18 by 6 in the front. Not sure of the offset. So it has a SOP loud mouth exhaust, Cook's X pipe, and Cook's headers. Lowered on the lower bolt for it. And but yeah, it's pretty simple. And like I said, head came intake hard and some E85. We're about to go to some pools here in a little bit, so.
If you're comfortable talking about it, do you know what you're gonna do in the future to it? You're gonna keep it?
Future plans is about this winter. It's either gonna be a single turbo or a twin turbo setup for it. And there's gonna be big numbers, big numbers, so. Alright,
next clip we're gonna be doing probably some pools on the interstate. Get some clips of that. Hopefully we'll try to run into somebody. We don't know yet, but that was it for the walk around.
Jack just want to drink.